Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple Music subscription and signing into the same Apple ID on your device. This lets Capcut access purchased or downloaded tracks. Once confirmed, open your Capcut project and tap Audio, then Import to find files or the music library. If the song doesn't appear, export it from the music app to files or capture audio with a screen recording. Do this first so you have a local audio file Capcut can read. Then import immediately and place it on the timeline. Once the track is on the timeline, trim and split to remove unwanted sections and ripple delete gaps so your edits stay tight. Use volume keyframes to duck music under dialogue and add fade and slash out for clean transitions. Speed adjustments let beats match cuts. Place markers at clip hits and enable Snapta so audio lines up precisely with visual edits. Make sure to preview at full volume and watch waveform peaks so you avoid clipping and ensure musical cues. Finish by exporting your video with appropriate audio settings. Use AAC or MP3 with a compatible sample rate and bitrate so quality is preserved. If Apple Music tracks are DRM protected and refuse to import, obtain a DRM-free copy or use Apple's approved export options. You cannot bypass DRM in Capcut. If audio won't sync, appears muted, or won't import, restart Capcut and your device. Re-import the local file and verify file permissions. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.